Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to Dark-D Media. In front of us is the Media Edition box that OnePlus Malaysia sent to us a few days ago. It is a very interesting packaging and I'm not sure if you guys are able to see the 3D effects through the camera during the introduction earlier. But trust me, it does look brilliant. Well, I can't wait to see what's inside, so let's unbox. Once you open the box, you will be welcomed by a big red square that is actually a photo book, or should I say an interactive book. It tells us some information about OnePlus and of course specifications, features and camera sample of OnePlus 8 Pro. The visuals and the quality of the books is great, and while it is a nice thing for OnePlus to provide us media with this, I think it is good if it can be made available for the public, especially OnePlus fans in Malaysia. It can be a worthy collector's item. Behind the catalog is the red colored trademark box that I can't wait to unbox. But before that, at the right side, OnePlus also gives 2 units of new cases for OnePlus 8 Pro that I will talk about later. Now let's focus on this superhero first. All OnePlus fans should be familiar with this red colored tower type box. Inside, OnePlus provides us with Onyx Black color OnePlus 8 Pro with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM variants. I wish we could see the more adventurous colors like Glacier Green or the Ultramarine Blue. But let's not forget that black is an everlasting beauty. Okay, we are not gonna talk about the phone yet this time. That has to wait for our full review soon. So now let's go through what you guys will get when you purchase this OnePlus 8 Pro. Inside the box, it's pretty standard accessories with other OnePlus smartphones. Overall, the combination of red and white that has been trademarked by OnePlus for years still remain fresh and really pleasant to eye. There is one exception here though with the included casing. It's not a typical case that manufacturers include in the box. It has a nice never settle watermark at the back, and the case also feels solid and sturdy that should be able to protect your phone for normal usage. Okay, talking about case, let's get back to the 2 new cases that I've mentioned before. The cases OnePlus showcased in the box are the new Sandstorm bumper case and carbon bumper case. Okay, let's have a look at the first one. Why I say it's a new Sandstone is because it comes in a new cyan color. It feels really grippy in hand. It's no longer a thin case with bare protection like it used to. It is quite solid and sturdy to protect the phone. Alright, this is my all-time favorite OnePlus case, the carbon bumper. It is a hard bumper case that looks and feels really premium in hand. The back with carbon fiber texture feels smooth but not that slippery. The OnePlus logo in silver color gives a touch of elegance to their design. Overall, these 2 cases are quite good. It depends on you whether you want to feel premium stealth with this carbon bumper case or you prefer a sporty and young feeling of cyan sandstone case. So that's all our brief unboxing of OnePlus 8 Pro media package. For OnePlus 8 Pro review, don't forget to check it out for our full review soon. For those who haven't made a pre-order yet, you can do so at Dark-D official website. OnePlus Malaysia gives 3 exclusive freebies: 1 year extended warranty, screen crack protection within the first year, and a sandstone case. Plus, you will get additional exclusive freebies by Dark-D. OnePlus 8 Pro will be available as early as 5th May 2020, so what are you waiting for? Click the pre-order link below. That's all from me at Dark-D Media. Don't forget to hit the 3 precious buttons: subscribe, like, and the bell icon. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Adios!